If you are the type of person who wants to grow spiritually, who wants to grow with money, if you want to grow your relationships, then avoid this big mistake. My name is Padma Ali from padmaali.com. Subscribe to this channel because I am here to help support you, to help guide you to evolving spiritually, not only evolving spiritually, but also helping you access your higher self and also grow in the physical plane. If you want to make more money in this lifetime and live comfortably and grow spiritually and live your purpose, then I'm here to guide you on that. So today we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake most people make that prevents them from growing. And this is what you can do to not do that mistake so you can grow. So the main thing that I want you to consider is anytime we're not growing, it's because of two things. One is you're still stuck in the past. You're still stuck with something that happened. And the second piece is because you haven't cleared some of the energetic imprints that are preventing you from they're unconsciously holding you back, that are preventing you from growing and from evolving to the next level, whether it's with your career, whether it's with money, whether it is in a relationship, wherever you're struggling, chances are these are the two places you're still stuck. Okay, so we're going to be addressing the first one today, which is being stuck in the past. This is the biggest mistake most people make that prevents them from growing and which you can avoid so that you can continue to grow. And that is being stuck in the past. And what does that really mean? Being stuck in the past is like you have done something happened in the past, and either your brain's regurgitating the past over and over and over again, either analyzing or over analyzing your own mistake or someone else's mistake that you feel is the result because of which you're stuck. Okay, so two things are happening simultaneously. Either you're blaming yourself or you're blaming someone else, and both of these are because of the past. Unless and until you let go of the past, and unless and until you learn to forgive yourself or forgive whoever else is involved in this or you think is involved in this that is preventing you from achieving your goals. It could be a spouse, it could be a partner, it could be a past boss, it could be a mistake that you did in the past when it came to your finances. It could be a mistake that you feel you should have avoided. Whatever it is based in the past. And unless and until you let go, you're not going to be able to evolve. And I'm going to share with you a strategy that is going to help you let go of this mistake that is preventing you from growing. And this is so effective. When my clients use it, they're able to let go of the past so quickly, so easily, because it's energetically, you're going to clear it from your system. That is what is going to help you completely let this go. So the first step to this is getting clear on what is it that you are really upset about. Are you upset at yourself? Are you upset at someone else? Whenever we tend to blame someone else, most likely we're blaming ourselves without even realizing it. You may think that that person, your mother-in-law, your partner, your ex-husband, your ex-wife, whoever it is, you may be thinking that they are your ex-boss or your current boss. I don't know. Whoever it is that you're blaming, you're not really blaming them. What you're blaming is you're blaming yourself. You're blaming yourself for, I should have known better. I should have done something different, but because you don't have the control of the situation, it's easier to blame someone else and blame your own self. But unless and until you forgive yourself and you forgive that person or that situation, that event, whatever it is, you're going to continue to remain stuck. And here's how you can let it go. You can truly let it go. So get clear. Number one, get clear on what is it that's truly upsetting you. The best way to do this is to take a journal and start writing. Set a 15-minute timer and dump all your thoughts about the situation, about this person, whatever it is. Just literally do a mind dump on the situation and set the timer. Setting the timer is really important because your brain when it has a limited time, it's going to purge out everything and anything. Otherwise, you're going to drag it out, and you do not want to do that. Set the timer, do a brain dump. And once you are done, this is the ritual I want you to do. We're going to do 2 steps to this process. One is you're going to burn it down. Find a safe place. Don't burn your house down. Okay, don't burn don't burn anything else down, but just burn this. Like, take a container that is safe to be burned, and you put this thing and light it on fire. And as you're doing it, set the intention to release this from the past. After this, you're no longer available for this. And so you burn it down with the intention that it is out of your system once and for all, done, over and out. Second piece to this. After this, you are no longer available for any thoughts about this situation, about this person, about yourself ever again. Meaning your brain is still going to bring this up. See, my background is in therapy. I was a therapist for over 23 years. And one of the common themes I saw in my practice was this regurgitation of the past over and over and over and over again, because the brain thinks, if I can replay this over and over and over again to you, maybe, just maybe, a different solution can emerge. Now, you and I both know once the past is done, nothing can bring it back to the present. Nothing can change it again from the past. However, you're keeping it alive in the present with your past thinking. So you have to be dedicated to saying, I am no longer available for this, and saying literally, stop. I'm not doing this anymore. I already burned it down. This is how you make the shift. I already burned it down. I am not available for this anymore. And you say, I'm done, and you let it truly go. And you have to do this over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, because your brain's going to keep bringing it back. It's done it for years now, right? And so unless and until you truly let it go, you're not going to be able to grow in the future. And you can ask yourself questions like this. If I don't let it go right now, what is the price I'm paying? What is the cost of this for me to not let this go? So once you have that, it's going to cost you another year, another, how much ever money you've lost, you're going to lose more because your brain is stuck from the past. Okay, so this is vital. And the third step, I'm not going to go into that today, which is doing energy clearing. Energetically, you need to clear whatever it is that is still holding you back. There's a reason your brain is replaying this over and over again. Most likely, there's an energetic imprint that has happened because of that situation, that whatever that has happened in the past. I'm not going to go into that today. You can do your own clearing on it, or you can reach out to me and I can help you see where you're stuck. I have a 15-minute complimentary session that you can apply for. And that is in this, you can see in the notes below, and you can see, we can look, and unless your application is approved, you're not going to have access to doing this work, but we can see where exactly are you stuck, and which aspect of your life are you stuck, and where are you stuck. And you can see, we can look at that and find ways to clear it. So as a way to recap, one of the main reasons that you are probably stuck and not growing is because of this one mistake, which is regurgitation of the past. Wherever you're stuck, notice if you're blaming yourself, you're blaming someone else. And if you're blaming yourself, you're blaming someone else, your chances are you're blaming yourself because you have felt lack of control. So I'm going to blame someone else because it's easier to blame that person than blame yourself. If you're blaming yourself, then ask yourself, what is causing me to still keep hanging on to this? There's often a reason you're still hanging on to something from the past. So looking at how can you truly let this go? Like I said, do these steps. Write down whatever it is that's truly bothering you. Where exactly are you feeling stuck? Write all of that down, burn it down in a safe place. Don't burn your house down, burn it in a safe place. And then you're no longer available for that. So after that, if the thought comes in, you're literally going to say, talk to the hand, because you have let it go. The third part to this is clearing it energetically, which either you're going to figure out on your own, or you can reach out to me and we can see where exactly you are stuck. Subscribe to this channel. Share with your friends and family, especially when you can see someone has the potential for growth and they are not growing. Send this video to them, and I will see you on another video.